So today we are going to read poem. This is very funny poem. This is very funny and interesting poem about a boy who is very notorious, who is very mischievous, and who can't sit still for a moment at all. So the story of Figgy Philip. Figgy Philip. So what is the name of the boy? Figgy Philip. The name of the boy is Figgy Philip, and this poem is composed by Dr. Heinrich Hoffman, and Heinrich Hoffman was a psychiatrist, and he used to write about the mischievous behavior of the children. So in that manner, he also composed this funny poem. So let us read. Let us recite this poem. Let me see if Philip can be a little gentleman. Let me see if he is able to sit still for once at table. Thus Papa bade Phil behave, and Mamma looked very grave. But Figgity Phil, he won't sit still. He wriggles and giggles, and then I declare, swings backwards and forwards, and tilts up his chair just like any rocking horse. Philip, I am getting cross. So, when we read this portion of the poem, we can imagine how notorious, how mischievous was the boy Figgity Flip. So here there is a scene when Figgity and the parents were sitting at the dining table to have the dinner, but as Figgity cannot sit anywhere still, he makes very notorious things on the while having the dinner also. Do you make things mischievously when you are having your meals? Do you also make mischievous things when having your meals? आप लोग भी ऐसा ही करते हैं जब खाना खाते हैं, you won't sit still, you keep running, you keep jumping, and you keep tilting your chairs and like that things. Do you do the same thing or not?
No, ma'am.
Oh,
No,
that's really
ma'am.
very good.
Ma'am.
No,
Very good.
ma'am.
Very good.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so the papa here, the father of the Philip, father of the boy, Brigadier Philip says, "Let me see if Philip can be a gentleman to sit still for once at let me see if he is able to sit still for once at table." Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So wants to see if Philip can sit properly, because फिलिप कभी भी स्टिल होकर नहीं बैठते था, वो हमेशा हिलता डुलता रहता था, भागता रहता था। तो पापा कहते हैं कि क्या मैं देखना चाहता हूँ क्या फिलिप कभी कोई एक जेंटलमैन बनेगा, ही विल बिहेव वेल। दस पापा वेट विल बिहेव, इसलिए पापा वेट मीन्स टू से समथिंग, टू इंस्ट्रक्ट समवन, किसी को इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे। तो पापा कहते हैं कि फिलिप से, फिल मीन्स हियर, प्लीज स्टॉप एनोटेशन अदरवाइज आई विल। Yes. So Papa was instructing Philip to behave well. वो कहते हैं कि आप अच्छे से behave कीजिए, otherwise. But Figgity Phil, he won't sit still. Phil, who is Phil? What does Phil means? Philip. It is a short form of the boy's name. But Figgity Phil, he won't sit still. वो तो सीधे से नहीं बैठता है. He wriggles and giggles. Wriggles means, can anybody tell what is the meaning of the wriggles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what? What is the meaning of wriggles? Tell. continuously. Like sometimes students keep moving their legs, sometimes they tuck their knees all together. So such kind of acts are called wrigglings. Wrigglings means कि अपनी body के किसी एक part को continuously, वंश को नींद आ रही है. Okay, so wriggling is something to continuously अपनी body के किसी part को आप continuously move करते हैं. That is called wriggling. So he continuously Philip keep doing anything. Giggles means कि unnecessary वो हंसता है, giggle करता है, ही करता है, या वो wriggle करता है, अपनी body के किसी part को हिलाता रहता है. And then I declare swings backwards and forwards. And मैं बताता हूँ, I declare means the father is saying here, और मैं बताता हूँ उसके बाद कि वो क्या करता रहता है कि कभी अपनी चेयर को आगे करेगा, कभी पीछे करेगा, वो अपनी चेयर पे आगे पीछे उड़ता रहता है. Takes up his chair. और अगर वो ये भी नहीं करता है, then he used to keep tilting his chair. Means he moves his chair on the back side two legs of the chair. अपनी चेयर के बैक टू लेग्स पर चेयर को वो मूव करते रहता है, टिल्ट करते रहता है. Just like any rocking horse, Philip, I am getting cross. So Papa, looking at this awful behavior, is getting very angry. Getting cross means he is getting very angry. वो बहुत angry हो जाते हैं और वो कहते हैं कि तुम ये जो rocking horse की तरह चेयर को यूज करते हो, it makes me very very angry and you should behave well while having your dinner. See the naughty restless child growing still more rude and wild. This still his chair falls over quiet. Philip screams with all his might, catches at the cloth, but then that makes matter worse again. Down upon the ground they fall, glasses, plates, knives, forks, and all. How Mama did fret and frown when she saw them tumbling down. So what happens when he continue his giggling and wriggling? See the naughty restless child. Such kind of boys are called restless. ऐसे बच्चों को या ऐसी गर्ल्स को ऐसे इस kind of children is always called restless. उन्हें restless कहते हैं. What does it mean to say restless?
Restless.
What does it
मैम
mean?
जो रेस्ट ना करता हो.
Someone who cannot sit for a while. So someone who cannot take a resting way. हाँ, exactly. जो rest नहीं करता. One is the meaning. Rest ना करता means keep working. But restless means who is always in a hurry, who is always in a jiffy to do something. कुछ ना कुछ करते रहना है जिसको. So such kind of person is called restless. So see the naughty restless child growing still more rude and wild. And more rude and wild means someone, the boy, Brigadier Philip always become more and more wild. When he starts doing his wriggling and wiggling and notorious things, he never stops. Rather, he makes it more and more. His degree of restlessness always increased. उसकी जो डिग्री होती है उसकी रेस्टलेसनेस की, उसकी एक्टिविटीज की, दैट ऑलवेज बिकम्स वर्स. वो आफ्टर एवरी मोमेंट बहुत ज्यादा वर्स बन जाती है. तो यस, इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Till his chair falls over quiet, Philip screams with all his might. And what will happen when we continuously keep moving our chairs on which we are sitting?
Ma'am, it fall down.
It falls down. Yes, really good. And same way, when Philip keeps rolling his chair, tilting his chair, once what happens, his chair falls and Philip screams means shout in a fear, एकदम से चीखता है, catches at the cloth. You do everyone yourself. Okay. Catches at the cloth, but then that makes matter worse again. Down upon the ground they fall, glasses, plates, knives, forks, and all. And when he suddenly falls down, to balance himself, what he does, he holds the tablecloth. Normally when we falls down, हम जब गिरते हैं तो what we do? We try to catch something, we try to hold something so that we can make our balance and we do not fall down. So same
Ma'am,
way,
that's why the table also fall down.
not the table fall down. Table does not fall down. Actually, whatever they have.
Fork, plates.
Yes, very good. Glasses, plates, knives, and forks, whatever the things were there, that all fall down along with the tablecloth. How Mama did fret and frown when she saw them tumbling down, and Papa made such a face. Philip is in sad disgrace. So Mama now watching all these incidents, Mama gets fret, very worried.
Excuse
Frown.
me.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is mean fret?
Fret means worried. You can see here in the yellow box. Fret means worry. Frown means angry. Frown means
Okay, ma'am.
angry. So when Mama looks all these things, Mama gets very angry and very worried. Everything was messed up. Everything was becoming worse, more and more. So when she saw them tumbling down, and Papa made such a face, Philip is in sad disgrace. And looking on the Philip's this behavior, Papa becomes more disgraced, becomes more angry, more sad, and he keeps thinking how Philip will behave well in his life. पापा सोचते कि फिलिप कैसे बिहेव वेल करेगा अपनी लाइफ में. ही कीप्स सो मेकिंग थिंग्स मैस, वो हमेशा चीजों को मैस करता रहता है एंड ही डज नॉट बिहेव वेल, कभी भी अच्छे से बिहेव नहीं करता है. सो एवरीथिंग give a worry to father. Where is Philip? Where is he? Barely covered up, you see. Cloth and all are lying on him. He has pulled down all upon him. You can see the picture here. Can you see this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so where is Philip? Now the papa is very much amused. Where is he's been very much amazement. Please mute yourself, everyone. Now पापा जो है वो बहुत amazed हो गए कि where Philip is. Philip कहाँ गया? Philip has fallen down, but he is not visible. Where is he? Fairly covered up, you see. But you can see कि वो tablecloth के अंदर ही पूरा cover हो गया. He has dragged all the cloth over himself. He has pulled down all upon him. Whatever the things were there on the dining table, now everything was on him. वो सब कुछ उसके ऊपर पड़ा हुआ था. What a terrible to do! Dishes, glasses snapped in two. Anybody wants to ask something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So
No, ma'am.
what a terrible to do. अब क्या किया जाए? What the thing we can do to make Philip behave well? Everything or of lunch now we are to do the dinner. Everything is fallen down. Everything, all the dishes, all the glasses, all the food is fallen down. Now Papa is very worried कि अब हम क्या खाएंगे? What we will have? What we will have in dinner? Everything is ruined up. सब कुछ खराब हो गया है. अब हम dinner में क्या खाएंगे? So Philip, this is cruel. Wait. Here a knife and there a fork. Philip, this is cruel work. Here a knife and there a fork. Everything was spoiled. Everything was spread up. सब कुछ फैल गया है. कहीं knife पड़ा है, कहीं fork पड़े हैं. And Philip, he asked Philip, what you have done? What cruelty you have done to us? We have nothing to have in our dinner now. Table. So also bear and poor Papa and poor Mama look quite cross and wonder how they shall have their dinner now. So poor Papa, everything, the table was so all clean. There was nothing. Also bare. Bare means that there was nothing. Papa कुछ नहीं था. Poor Papa and poor Mama, poor parents were very crossed, very angry, and they were thinking now what they will have in the dinner. This is the story of the Figurative Philip. Figurative Philip is a notorious and mischievous boy, and now this is how he behaves. This is how he uh, creates mess up in all the time. So I hope all of you have got it very well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just stopping this screen share, and now again I would like to ask some questions. Are you ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so far my first question is, let us come to the exercise which is given in the book. The first question is, what do you think where the parents and the Philip was having their dinner? Was it a restaurant? Was it a hostel? And was it a function? Or was it at home? Where were they having their
Ma'am,
I'm in home.
in
I'm
home?
at home.
At home?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other?
I'm home. I'm home. I'm at home.
At home. Yes, that's the right answer. They were at home. Okay, so my next question is, what would you like to say all about this story? This poem. This poem is what? What about this poem?
And this poem is about Philip.
Everyone else, mute yourself. Unmute. Sorry, mute yourself so that you can hear it well.
Ma'am, this is a story about a boy named by Philip, and he does naughty things. And
This story is all about the boy who is very mischievous in his behavior, and he creates a mess.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the bad manners, it tells, what does this poem tells? This poem tells that the bad manners can be very irritating. So we should not behave badly, we should not misbehave, we should behave well everywhere, while having your meal, while doing your work, while sitting with your parents or your family members. You should always behave well. So my next question, what do you think, how was the parents' mood in this poem?
amused.
What
Anger.
mood do you find? What
Amused.
mood is shown here of the parents?
Noodles and soup.
Huh?
I'm amused.
Amused. Amused means entertained. Entertained. They were entertained.
I'm confused. I'm
Confused.
confused.
I'm exhausted.
Yes, exasperated. Exasperated. The parents were. The parent were exasperated. Exasperated means they were very sad. They were very frustrated. They were very irritated now with the behavior what Figurative Philip was showing them. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
my next, let us know about the rhyme scheme. Do you know what the rhyme scheme is called? Do you know what the rhyme scheme is called?
Ma'am, rhyme scheme is a pattern.
The pattern. In our previous classes, I hope you have learned about it. The rhyme scheme. Please everyone mute yourself so that you can hear it well. So let us see what the rhyme scheme is called. Rhyme scheme, you know the rhyming words like, let us see, let me see if Philip can be a little gentleman. What the words are rhyming here?
Let me see if it can be a little gentleman.
You can see can and gentleman. This can and man is rhyming with each other. So what the rhyme scheme is,
Can man.
rhyme scheme. So we give a particular letter to this. Just a second, everyone. See, if we give A to this can, and can is rhyming with man, so we will give A same way to the man also. Now let's read the another line. Let me see if he is able. Let me see if he is able. So able is not rhyming with the man and can. So we will give it
Ma'am,
another letter
table.
B. Yes,
B.
able and table is rhyming with each other. So we will give them the same letter B. Now behave and crave, they both are rhyming with each other. So we will give
A.
but these are not rhyming with the table. Now these are different ones. So we will give the different letter to it. C. A grave is also the C. So CC. So let us, what is the rhyme scheme here? A, B, B, C, C. और we can write, now if we see, अगर हम देखें यहाँ पर तो ये सारे ही वन का पेयर बन रहा है. जब हम देखते हैं कि ये पेयर अलग नहीं हो रहा है किसी भी तरीके से, तो हम इसको सिर्फ दो ही को कंसीडर करते हैं, 4 लाइंस को हम इसको कंसीडर नहीं करते हैं. So the rhyme scheme is A, B, B. What the rhyme scheme is here?
A.
B.
This is the rhyme scheme. Now what you are to do? You have to find the rhyme scheme in every line. आपको हर line में ये rhyme scheme find out करनी है in your book.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, आपको सभी में सारी ही पोएम में आपको ये फाइंड आउट करनी है. Is it clear to everyone? Now I will post your class work. What you have to do? First of all, you have to do the reference to context and then 1 or 2 question and answer only. So you have to do that work in your English notebook in the literature section. I hope everyone has prepared the. Yes.
Ma'am, we have to make a new copy for English.
No, there you have the work in the previous work.
Ma'am, language have many pages, but literature don't.